Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. I'm going to make this a quick video because I have to get ready for dinner. We're going to be cooking potatoes. I'm pulling the potatoes up. I'm not that thrilled with the harvest with the potatoes this year. Last year it was bountiful. This year, not that much. I mean, I only pulled up 6 plants so far. Here they are right here. Oh, and there's more over there I got to pull up. That's all I really got. A lot of small ones too. We had a pretty much El Nino this year here in California. I'm in Central California, Zone 9B. And I wonder if all that water that I thought would help actually didn't. Like I said, last year I buried these in wood chips and I just repeated the process. I put potatoes right back in, the same potatoes. The cool thing is they didn't get scabby, like individuals told me that would happen if I just plant the potato right back in the same hole. It didn't happen, but this is mostly decomposted. It looks like soil, but this is actually wood chips that just turn into. You see that perfectness? Yes, I just said perfectness. But you crunch it up, stays together, but breaks apart easy. That's wood chips. Yeah, there's some sand, but mostly that's at least 75% wood chips. So these potatoes are grown in wood chips. I think that Lulu dug this up. I don't want that now because I don't know how long it's been out. All right, well, I'm going to see how everything else goes. With the dog, you guys, with Lulu, I don't know if I want to plant potatoes anymore because I had to put a barrier in here, tomato cages in here. I'm always coming out here. The first thing I look at is the potatoes to make sure she didn't dig them up. It's not really worth it. Potatoes are cheap in the store, and I know somebody that actually grows potatoes. Not like I do, but pretty close. So maybe I'll just get the potatoes from them. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you think it's still worth growing potatoes with a dog that likes to maybe dig. She won't dig here until I did something. So if I dug up a little bit like I did here, that's it. For next month she's going to keep on digging this spot. So my whole idea of planting potatoes is I dig it up like I do now. I get my biggest potato like I did last year. And there's a mosquito trying to land on me, but I put repellent on. Ha! God, mosquitoes. I put my biggest potato right back. That's what I did last year. These are second generation tomatoes. Second generation potatoes. But I'm not impressed with the production yet. I'm not done yet. Purple potatoes are over there. I'll do another video on them later on. But right now I'm going to pull enough so we could eat tonight. I think that's enough anyways right now. Alright, I decided to pull out all the potatoes I could. There's the purple potatoes. And there's the Yukon Golds second generation. So it's not the. I thought I would get a lot more than this. There's probably more in there, but I'm getting kind of tired. So beautiful color. It looks like a pear, doesn't it? And I pulled out every little one because if you leave a potato in there like this size even, it's gonna grow again. And I'm very certain that I'm gonna get potatoes growing in the fall or next year. All right, everyone. Happy gardening.
Okay, like, share, subscribe, and